Hey everyone, it's Brian over at Obedia and PC Audio Labs, and I'm giving you a quick unboxing today of the Acid Pro Freedrum kit. This is a digital audio workstation and virtual drum kit. So it includes Acid Pro 8, 2 drumsticks. This box says 2 sensors, but it actually includes 4 of these sensors, and I'll talk about what those are in a moment. A Bluetooth 4.0 USB dongle and a charging cable. And this is a rather cool piece of kit. I got to look at this at Winter NAMM 2019 here in Anaheim, California, hanging out with the cool folks over at Magix, and look at everything the Acid Pro is starting to offer, which is some really excellent stuff. And this was a very cool piece of kit. So I'm just going to give you an unboxing here. So we'll just look at the packaging real quick so you can check it out. Here's the side. And then we've got the back. Now, on the back, this actually has information about German and in English, so we'll look at the English part here. And this says, get creative with a virtual drum kit, the Acid Pro Freedrum kit with Creative DAW Acid Pro 8 and drumsticks from Freedrum. Simply start drumming at any time and any place. So what this is going to do is essentially allow you to play drums without a drum kit. And so this includes the software, of course, Acid Pro, as well as the drum software and Bluetooth-enabled sensors that will pick up on your movement with both your feet and your hands on the drumsticks. So it basically allows you to be the drum kit, and what you do is sent to the software and then lets you play. So as I say, I'll be showing this to you guys in showing you the software and the operation of it. This is just a unboxing to show you what's in here. So we're going to go ahead and unbox. We'll put aside the main packaging here. So this is what you'll find in the packaging with the Freedrum kit. We've got our documentation to start off with. We've got the Acid Pro Freedrum kit, a quick start guide, keyboard shortcuts, some stickers, which is really cool, and some other various information here. And then we've got the Acid Pro printed manual information, quick start information for installation, 2 CDs, Acid Loops and Acid Pro for installing and an installation, of course. Drumsticks, which is very cool. Acid Freedrum drumsticks. So that's pretty cool. And then finally, we've got our sensors and our Bluetooth dongle. And our drumsticks coming to join us here. So here's our Bluetooth dongle. This allows us to transmit Bluetooth information to our computer. And then here is the packaging for the Freedrum drum kit sensors. Looks cool, and this is, I can see that this has its own UPC on it, so you could buy these separately. So as I say, the kit that I have, I'm lucky enough that this comes with the 4 sensors in it. The standard kit has the 2 sensors, so you would want to probably pick up another 2 sensors so that you could, then be able to drum, of course, full on as if playing a regular drum kit. So let's look at what's inside here. We've got 2 of these sensors. Again, there's 4 of these here, but 2 of these little sensors right here. And these sensors, they will need to charge, but when these are charged up, they have lights on them. Oh, there we go, yeah. Actually, these are charged, great. So these are charged up, so you can see these have lights on them, and these will sync up with the Bluetooth dongle. And then these get attached to either your drumsticks or to your feet. And the way that that works, again, we're going to get back into the packaging here, is right here we have a charging cable, and we've got some information here. So this shows you how to attach your sensors, this little piece of paper here. And then your sensors are going to go into these little straps right here. So this strap can go onto my, it could go onto my hands. If I maybe didn't want to use drumsticks, I could do that. So it could go onto my hands. It could go onto my feet, of course. I would attach these to my feet. So we'll do that. Boom. So then now I can attach this to my feet or to whatever it is that I'm playing. And these sensors can also attach to my drumsticks. So when I do that, when I set up everything for the sensors to be attached to my drumsticks, and then install the software, the Acid Pro software and the Freedrum software on my computer, then I can start playing using the Freedrum software and these sensors, my sticks, and etc. So this is a really cool little package right here. Now, as I say, I'm going to be going over everything that you can do with the Freedrum kit. I'll just open up here, I'll show you the other two sensors. Is just the same as what we were looking at previously here. So as I say, you have the option to use these sensors in a few different ways. Here you can use them attached to your feet, you can use them attached to your drumsticks. Of course, you want to attach a couple to your drumsticks. So you get everything that you need right there. You've got your straps, you've got your sensors, everything in the box, along with your software, of course, and everything else. So this is a pretty cool package, I have to say. Now, I will be showing you how this works. And that way you will be able to check this out and see what it is all about. So we'll show you how the software works and show you how you can play some drums and things like that. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick look in the package here with this Acid Pro Freedrum kit, because I think this is really cool. Many of you guys know that I am a drummer, and it's increasingly hard to practice drums, even with electronic drum kits, honestly. If you live in an apartment or something like that, the noise that you make tapping, even on an electronic drum kit, can be annoying to folks who live below you and around you and things like that. So this is a really cool way to get around that. And because this doesn't use, you'll notice that this doesn't have a camera. There are some kits out there for drumless drumming that use a camera that needs to be pointed at you in order for you to drum. This doesn't use a camera. This does use those Bluetooth enabled sensors. So the cool thing about that is that this way you're going to be able to play the drums, and you're not going to need to worry about having a camera or some lights pointed at you and stuff like that. So I think this is a really cool kit, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys how this works. So I will be doing a video shortly here that will show you the software side of everything in the Acid Pro Freedrum kit and how everything works. So stay tuned for that. If there's anything that you're looking to find out about the Acid Pro Freedrum kit, please make sure to get in touch with us here at Obedia. Find us on your favorite social media network, right here on our YouTube channel, or give us a call, of course. If you give us a call, we can tell you how you can get your hands on this and get Obedia software training and tech support included as well, so you can learn how to use Acid Pro and the Acid Pro Freedrum kit. So there you go, everybody. Just a quick look at the Acid Pro Freedrum kit. I think this is really excellent, and I'm looking forward to showing it to you guys in its full glory. If you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. I'm Brian with Obedia and PC Audio Labs, and I'll see you guys next time. Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. Obedia can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an Obedia technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. Obedia technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. Obedia member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and Obedia is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, Obedia can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with Obedia.